I've got mail.
Alright, well, it's time for another segment of Mail Thing Thursday. And I just got back. We had a lunch with Mr. Ben Craig. We drove, a couple hours over, and he drove a little ways and met us. And we won't go to that restaurant again, I'll tell you that. We went to Dirty Dick's in Panama City. And, yeah, no, don't go there. Just give my opinion. Somebody that was born and raised here and knows good seafood, that's not it. Sorry, Mr. Craig, Susan, kids, sorry about that. Won't do it again. Last time we went there was probably 6-7 years ago, and it was fine food then. Not today. But he did bring me not one, but two of Askew Viewed shields that he had printed with his color blending, going from blue to orange. And he said the blue just kind of took over the orange, and you can see that. But it's great, man. I appreciate it. Thank you very much for that. So I included that on this Mail Thing Thursday because we just got it today. All right, and I've got a couple packages here that were on the porch when we got home. And this one is to Kuntry 3D. So I know this isn't something I ordered. It's something somebody else ordered me. Oh, wow. Man, this is fast shipping. There's no gift note in here, but I know who ordered this. That was Mr. Eddie Moser. And it's a 10-piece nozzle cleaning kit from Repcord. So it is a cleaning kit which has it's 10 different sizes that you can use to clean your nozzles, which is awesome. Thank you, Eddie Moser. And this one is to Kuntry 3D as well. So this one, let's see. This one also does not have a gift receipt in it, but it is also from Eddie Jack, Mr. Moser. He said he was going to buy me some nozzles for the TiVo little monster, and he did. Here they are, along with the Repcord. Thank you, Eddie Moser. Thank you very much. I'm going to lay those right there. Alright, now this one I'm going to open up on the floor. It's a box. Let me show you. It's a box here. It's from Amazon as well. And it is to Kuntry 3D. And I'm pretty sure I know who this one's from, because the man said he was going to get me some. And I'm pretty sure that he did. But he said it would be a surprise. So we're going to see. I got a box of 3D Solutech. Okay. This is lavender purple. And it's kind of hard to see the color in there, but it is lavender purple. And here's a gift receipt. Hopefully there's a note in here somewhere. I got to get all this stuff. Oh yeah, there's more papers down in here. Gift receipt. Oh, let's see here. Gift note. And I'll read that in a second. Now this, he said, was a surprise. This is Amelin at amelin.com. 3D printing filament. But this is, I don't know. Let's see what color this is. Uh-oh, I'm pushing my printer around over here. Let me move this over here. Okay, so inside of here, there's a temperature color changing filament. I don't know. It doesn't say anything else. It said print temperature 190 to 220, hotbed temp 0 to 50, and 50 to 90 millimeters per second on the speed. Temp color change PLA, as you can see right there. I'm going to lay that right there. And this is, wow. I got a sample of some of this in the UFO box from Alien 3D. If you hadn't checked that out, go check them out. Alien3D.us. Sign up for their subscription box. And I got a sample of this. This is UV color changing filament. Thing is, I don't have a UV light to see what color it changes to. Wish I had a UV flashlight. I can take it outside and see what color it would be, but it is Amelin UV color change PLA. Now let's get to the letters here. Let me put this back in this box right here. Let me put that back in the box. I'm gonna set this down here because I don't got any more room. This box can go over there. Out of the way. Out of the way. There you go. Alright. Now, and I'll show you the letter. I'm going to read it first, but I'll turn it around so you don't think I'm joking. Hi, Country. Enjoy this filament, you legend. Cheers from Ben, Hawk 3D product. Just so you know, I'm not making that up. I'm not any type of legend, Ben, but I do appreciate that. Hawk 3D Proto is a fantastic guy. If you hadn't seen his channel, go out and check it out. Eddie Moser, I think, is supposed to be putting some videos out here soon, too. So go check him out. Find him on YouTube. But that's it for this segment of Mail Thing Thursday. Maybe we'll have some more. Maybe we won't. Thank you, Ben. Thank you, Eddie, for the gifts that you've sent. The filaments will definitely get used. The nozzles, the nozzle cleaners, all of it will get used because I know they've seen me struggle with that TiVo little monster back there and jams. So, thank you guys. I appreciate everything you do. Country Club is awesome. And those two are prime members of the Country Club. We'll see you in the next segment. Alright guys, that is another Mail Thing Thursday. And I appreciate everything I got this week. Y'all know I do. I appreciate everything I get every week. Doesn't matter what it is. What you send me, I appreciate every piece of it. I will have to go back and say, because I didn't do an ending for last Thursday. So what I have to say is that the filaments I got last week, the white 3D Solutech and the white AIO Robotics, was from none other than Mr. 3D Printing Llama himself. As you can see, and you will see before then, well, maybe not. You probably won't. You'll see it this morning. I am printing a llama, as you can see right there. So, just to go back and reiterate, that's who that was from, and I was supposed to put it in the ending, and I didn't because I was excited about voicing over my wife, so we didn't get that done. But thank you again, Country Club. You guys rock. This has been another edition of Mail Thing Thursday. If you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up. If you don't give us a thumbs down, just give us a reason why. If you want to send me mail, send it to me. The address is below. Want to support the channel, you can do that below. But that's it for now. I'm Walter, and you've been watching Country 3D.